Welcome. In this video, we're going to tackle a common issue that many Snapchat users face: when messages aren't showing up. This can be really frustrating, especially when you're trying to stay connected with friends. Don't worry. I've got some updated steps that can help you resolve this problem. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Check your internet connection. The first thing to do is ensure you have a stable internet connection. Whether you're using Wi-Fi or mobile data, a weak connection can prevent messages from loading properly. Step 2. Update Snapchat. It's important to keep your app up to date. Check if you have the latest version of Snapchat installed by visiting the Google Play Store or the App Store. Updating can fix bugs that may cause message issues. Step 3. Clear Snapchat cache. Head to your profile, tap the cogwheel icon for settings, scroll down and select Clear Cache. This helps free up space and can resolve minor glitches that might be affecting message visibility. Step 4. Restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart of your phone can do wonders. Turn it off, wait a moment, and then turn it back on. This can refresh your device and resolve temporary issues. Step 5. Check for Snapchat outages. Before you do anything else, visit a site like Down Detector to see if there are any reported outages affecting Snapchat. If there's a widespread issue, you may just need to wait it out. Step 6. Reinstall Snapchat. If messages still aren't showing, try uninstalling the app and then reinstalling it from the Google Play Store or App Store. This can fix any corrupted files causing the problem. Step 7. Check if you've been blocked. Finally, make sure that the person you're trying to message hasn't blocked you. If you've been blocked, you won't see their messages, and this could explain the issue. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of Snapchat not showing messages. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.